Freshie.
And welcome to the beautiful islands of Samoa.
This is still an Elise.
This is Iva Lamkum. We're excited to be here for the Samoana Jazz Festival. Iva, are you excited to be here?
Hot out, man. Are you, bro?
Yep.
Oh, she's just moved into the neighbourhood.
How fantastic!
So I thought I'd bring her around, to meet some of the neighbours.
How spectacular!
Always wanted to come to Samoa. Awesomely, I get the opportunity to come and perform in my family's home country.
Everybody, I'm Vito from Samoa. Today I'm gonna test the people, see how fresh are you. Wow. Yep.
But anyways, we're gonna go check out the one and only
Balirazi.
Sunny Bill, I know you're playing for counties. Yeah, we'll discuss the jersey later. Oh, without it. Okay, fat. Hi, everyone. Hello forever. Nisa Bulavanak. It's me, Bonnie, and welcome to Banarazi. I am standing at the Auckland Museum. Why? Because I heard that there are amazing artifactions, and I wanted to be the first here on the scene. Let's check it out. Yeah. Stairs. Taxi. Whew. Stairs.
Everyone all set to go?
Vo is Fijian for new. So Vo is made up of very young dancers. We fuse Pacific and Fijian movements and then making into contemporary dances.
What are you doing here in beautiful Auckland?
We're here to do some work with the Auckland Museum, just researching on artifacts that they have stored from Fiji that's kept here. And so what we're doing, we're just going through all this different tapa, the war clubs and everything. So today we'll see performances like with tapa, Masi, which is like 200 years old. And all the performances today will be inspired about all the artifacts.
And I want to know, more importantly, how do you manage your hair? Amazing, huh?
Manage. I wake up like this.
Oh my gosh, it's so Beyonce.
I know.
I woke up like this and swag. Yeah, you do not want to see this spun undone. My darling here is about to demonstrate a dance move that's popular from Fiji, Vinaka.
All right, this one's traditional. So typically you'd get low. So knees bend, drop that pelvis. You're gonna put your fingers like this, like a gun. And what you're gonna want to do is stomp while staying low. So like a small, just, and then this is supposed to shake. Then that can transform. You can come back up.
Oh my gosh, what an amazing day. Hang on, pardon? Jason, I even got to learn some dance moves. I'm still gonna do them with you. Oh my god, I'm still rolling, I'm gonna go. Okay, that was the best. Vinaka, better living. Oh my gosh, amazing. I'm still gonna marry you.
From fresh queens to fresh facts.
Here's a few little island tidbits I bet you did not know about.
Hashtag keep it fresh.
And welcome to your favorite part of the show called Fresh Facts. This is the part where myself, Matua Portotelli, tell you a few things to make yourself look a brainy when you go to a party. Sweets and Voices is about tattoos. And now, according to my calculation, the word tattoos come from the island word tatau. Oh yeah, it's still right from there. I think by the time it's get to the Parangi, it's changed from tatau to tattoo. Yeah, that's what I think. come from our ancient ancestor of the Southeast Asia. Yeah, it's called the Latita people. It's a people that look like us, but it's not us. Now, the patterns of this design is very different from culture to culture or island to island. It's a different shapes and a different color and things like that. Now, a traditional tattoo is done by using ash and a shark's tooth that's tied to a piece of wood to make the tattoo tool. If you can't get a shark's tooth, you get a boar's tooth. And both are ouch, isn't it? And in those days, the reason for get the tattoo is to show the social importance of yourself or the tribal family connection you come from. And sometimes over here in tattoo is for stupid things. I know. It's a bad one. Anyway, but most of all, my cousin, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, was the person who's make it all famous. He introduced the world to the slave. So he's making famous in boys like Sonny Peel Williams, and now everybody want a slave. And now there's many different interpretations of the slave, because everybody want to be expressed themselves. And that's it, because my name is Matua Potutele. We'll see you next week on the Fresh Facts for more praying. Aminos.
I would have aced that because I'm super fresh. Coming up on Fresh, a little taste of my world. I always go the other direction. So everyone will come to church all in white. I will always come in my jeans.
Crush.
Thanks for the car, Dad.
Oh, hey, where did you park the car?
I park in the garage.
Oh, good boy.
Inside the garage. The garage!
Hi, my name is Iva Lamkum. Welcome to my world. I am a musician, singer-songwriter from Wellington. Probably when I was 12, 13, I started writing. That was my main focus, was just to write lyrics all the time. It was not till later on, probably about 17, 18, I, kind of wanted to start singing. What's music to Iva Lamkum? It's being yourself. It's being real, telling the world this is who you are. That's what music is, really. I'm in Samoa, just chilling with the crew. We're here specifically for the Samoana Jazz Festival that's happening all over Samoa. It was just a good opportunity to come visit where my family's from. And I've always wanted to come to Samoa. Just always keep putting it off. And perfect timing. So it's awesome that I get the opportunity to come in and perform in my family's home country. I've only just got here, but so far, so good. But it's so freaking hot. And I'm sweating, my makeup's like sliding down my face, but
Oh, do you not think so far? Oh, do you not think?
My family is from Iva Savai. Am I named after my village? I'm just gonna say yes. I asked my mum that and she said, no, I wasn't. So it doesn't really make sense, but I'm just gonna say, yeah, I was named after the village. How fresh am I? I will say half and half, so I'll give it a 5. Mum actually raised us in that whole Samoa, but not as hard out. So we got away with a lot of stuff sometimes. Me personally, I always go the other direction. So everyone will come to church all in white. I will always come in my jeans. And I always used to get in trouble for that. But I'm just like, nah, man, this is me, man. I can't change who I am. I love my jeans. When I was a little girl, I said to my mum that I wanted to be an air hostess. I wanted to be a boxer. I also even mentioned that I wanted to be the pastor's wife. And then I'll be like, yeah, I mean, I'm getting into this whole band thing. She's like, okay, so you're into music. That's weird. But I mean, mum's mum. She always supports you, and that's what I love about her. We have that really strong bond where, you know, if I'm overseas and I'm struggling with money, it's easy to just call her and say, look, mum, just put some money in my bank, I'll pay you back. She's like, sweet. But yeah, I love my mum. She's just been supportive over the years.
Thank you, Samoa.
You know, Samoa is definitely second home for me, and I'll definitely come back when I get a chance. But I'm glad that I've come here to sing, and hopefully the next trip is that I come and have a nice long holiday and hang out with my family.
Oh, sorry. And coming up on Fresh.
The freshest housewives of South Auckland. How fresh is you?
Tina, if I say your name once more, don't yell to me. Come and say hi to Alofa and Joy.
Hi. See this coconut? See if you can open it. Oh man, see that? It's fresh too. Everybody got a different style.
Hi.
No.
Battle. Yeah, man. You wanna hear my rap? You can handle a jandle, cause I'm a #1 sandal. Think you can rap? Let's have a rap battle.
Oh, you want a paddle?
Let's have a paddle, man. Oh, not that kind of paddle, though.
You still want a paddle?
Oh, no, it's all right.
Yeah, thought so.
I got some here.
Hey, welcome back to Fresh. Nothing but a little dose of drama on TV.
Anyway, we've got Fresh Housewives of South Auckland coming up.
Tina, we were just on our way out.
Dang, this is my niece, Joy.
Hi, Joy. Nice to meet you.
Joy's just finished her reign as Miss South Pacific. She's just moved into the neighborhood.
How fantastic.
Yes. So I thought I'd bring her round, you know, to meet some of the neighbors.
How spectacular.
So you're going to let us in, or are we just going to stand out here like guarded gnomes?
Yes, yes. Harimai kita inside. Harimai. Would anyone like a cuppa, alofa?
That would be nice, huh?
Coffee, thank you.
Fina! Fina!
You know, my mum only had to call me once and I had to be there. Or else.
Fina, if I say your name one more... Don't yo to me. Come and say hi to Alofa and Joy.
Hi.
Hey.
Oi.
Come back and say hi properly.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
And where is your ear?
What for?
Go and put on your ear.
old are you, Fina?
23.
Are you studying, working?
Yes, Fina does that. Study here, work there. She's doing the medical, so doctor. Yes, hey Fina, Dr. Fina.
Something like that.
Joy got her first crown at 23.
Well, actually...
Fina saved Margaret's dead cat when she was 12. She's very good. Hey Fina, remember?
I'm just gonna go do a heap of keys.
Ooh, do you have soy milk?
Soy milk?
Yeah, soy milk. You know, you put the soy sauce in the milk.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Lactose, yes, and make some toast.
Oh, the toast.
She's a feisty one, huh?
From her dad's side.
Does she speak Samoan?
A little bit of that.
Joy speaks 10 languages.
Un petit peu.
Bonjour, monsieur, mademoiselle, bonjour.
My daughter...
Joy's been nominated to be New Zealander of the Year. She's actually going to feature on the cover of Specific and Metro magazine. Do you know the Prime Minister?
my hell, shut your mouth. Oh my God, going on for Africa. How can I get out of this? Think, Lay, think.
Yes, that's right. You're right?
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, all right. Fina, something's wrong with your mother.
What? Call 111.
Aren't you a doctor?
I am so sorry you had to witness this.
Are all the neighbours like this?
Well, those are from Gua, yes.
How gua are they?
They're far Gua.
Ooh.
Will the Whaletua and Joy ever get their cup of tea? Who forgot to pay the power bill? Did Madonna really wake up like this? Why do good-looking people run in slow motion? Oh, is it Halloween already? These questions and many more may or may not be answered in the next episode of Fresh Housewives of South Auckland.
Oh my fob, that show is so addicting.
But now it's time for us to hit the streets and find out
How fresh are you?
with this week's Freshie on the Scene.
Our favourite Mr. Lava Lava, he toe to toe.
How fresh are you, Dylan?
Oh, fresh as can be.
Oh, you got me. You got me.
Hello everybody, I'm Vito from Samoa, and today I'm going to test the people and see how fresh are you. Come on! Hello? Hello? What's your name?
Sutupe.
Alright, how fresh you are?
Much fresh.
Much fresh. Alright. How you feeling?
Oh good man.
Oh, are you fresh?
Yeah, very well, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your name? Neville? Neville. Yeah. Alright, that's a nice name. Alright, are you fresh?
Oh yeah, it's good, man.
I'm gonna give you a challenge.
Okay.
See this coconut? See if you can open it. Alright? Any way you can. No, hold on. I didn't count. I'm gonna count 1 to 3, then you can start it. Good. Alright? Cool. 1. I didn't count. Just stop. 1, 2, 3, go. You got 10 more seconds.
First good one?
That's good, yeah, it's good. It's 5 seconds. Oh man, see that?
Wow.
Okay, open this? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, well done. Oh man. Now this guy is fresh too. Everybody got a different style of doing how to break the coconut. Right? Okay. Cool. How about? Oh wow. The guy is really fast. How about? Yeah.
Fresh.
Alright, That's us from Samoa. We'll appreciate you. All right?
Hi. Okay, guys, we've come to the end of the freshness for this week. But before I leave you to your day, let's check out what's coming up on next week's show.
Hello, I'm Mani Vasube. I'm Conrad Haru. We are your Tong and Anchorman. The Wrecking Ball. Playing like a warrior. It's very amazing. You gotta grab the horse and lift it. 20 of those. How quick you eat the horse. So okay. 20. Done. Finished. Awesome.
I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with us.
So follow us on Facebook, #FreshTV2 with your comments.
How have you enjoyed your time here so far in Samoa?
Oh my gosh, it's been amazing. I
Yeah?
want to miss my flight back
Yeah,
home.
I wanted to do the same thing.
Yeah, we should do that,
Yeah,
eh?
we probably should. We can't wait to come back to Samoa sometime.
And that's it from us. So far,
So far, so far.
Drifting down my bloodline, where I find in my heart's deep flight, where my spirit sighs. Samoa forever, like war, where the thoughts fly and I glide over timelines, and my spirit cries, Samoa forever.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.